So today I'm going to continue the tutorial for the grading system. Previously, we have a part 1, 2, 3, and 4 for our grading system, which we have created the table, the fields, and the information for the students. And now we will proceed for the students' school year. So we have already here the tables of address, course, student, subject, and teachers. As you can see, we have here the address, where you're going to save your information of the student's address, the courses, student courses or the school courses, the students or the name of the students and the information of the students, and then the teachers, the name of the teachers and the information of your teachers. And now we'll proceed to create a table for the school year. So just click on create and then click on table and then right click and click on design view. Name this table as school year. So we have the school year ID and then we have the year. Okay, let's just click on save. So the format for our school year, we have here the format for because the year, usually a format of year is 4 digits. So we will type a format here. I'll create new format. Back. Just create a school year. Year. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Example is 2020. It's not very further. This is a year. So try it. Let's try it. With symbols in the mass, without symbols in the mass. Okay, like that. So now you already have a year. So for the students that's enrolled every year, for the grading system, we have to identify the school year and then we have to identify the subject as well. So we have the school year already, and then for our school year, for example, we'll entry 2020. And next, we're going to create another one. For each school year, we also have a semester, that is a semester. So we're going to add new table, that is semester. Semester. So just leave it as default ID, then we'll type here as semester. So just leave it as text. So you have now the semester. So our semester, that is first semester. Example. You have here the second semester. What else? We have here the summer class. So the grading system is composed of year, student, subject, semester. So we'll be combining them all together later on. After the semester, we also have here the grade level. So the grade level is very important. So we have here another table. Let's create grade level. Grade level. So the grade level, for example of our grade level. Let's leave it as text. So for the grade level here, we have grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. We have here the senior first year high school. We also have here the second year high school. We have here the third year high school. We have here the fourth year high school. Sorry, that's fourth year high school. And we have here the senior high first level and senior high second level. And then we have here the first year college, second year college. So this is a master list for the grade level. We have here the third year college, and we have here the fourth year college. So that's it. What else do we need for the grading system? So for the grading system, we have the grade level. We need the 1. So when we're going to draw a map, it's like this. So we already have a grade level. Now we'll proceed to quizzes. So the quizzes, there is this sign. So this is our quiz table, quizzes. So for the quizzes, we have the date of quiz. So we have the date, when is the quiz happen, the location, or maybe it's no longer necessary, perfect or what do you mean by the perfect or total items, total quiz items. So we have here the number. For example, the quizzes is around 50 items. Okay. So, and then what is that quiz for? Or quiz for subject or subject. So that's gonna be, we'll look up to the subject later. So we can just click on lookup wizard, and then we'll go to back. We can go to the table for subjects. So just the subject name. Okay, there must be a relationship. So we have here the subject ID, or we have the subject ID. So what's the relationship of quizzes and subject? So we create a relationship between them before we can proceed. Okay. So to create the relationship, to build the useful and relationship, so we'll add here the quizzes. Oh, that's the student. It's related to the student. Later on, we'll proceed with the other. So we already have a quizzes, the students, and then we have also a projects. So we'll create table for projects. Just right click and click on design view, then we'll click on project table. So we have here the project name, then we have here the project item, project percentage, total percentage, Okay, so that's gonna be a percent, just number, and then project date. So now let's create a grading system form. So what we will do, we already have here the students, right? So we'll use this one, create here, just copy, and we'll name it as a grading for student, for student grades, student grading. So in the student grading, we will add here another button for each student grading. So this is peers, and then we will add the grading for peers. So just click on design view, and then okay, by the way, before we create the student grading, we'll create a form first. So we will first identify how to relate this one student, one school year, grade level, course. So that is our grading now. So we have to create a form. We'll create a form. The form is blank one. So we will create here a student. Sorry. I will create first the table, the full grading table. Grading table. So in the grading table, we have the ID, grading ID. So we will first identify the student name or name of student. Name student, right? Then the student. So this is what will link to all the we have the student name. Okay, we have here the student name. Sorry for that. We have here the school year, school underscore year, and then we have here the grade level, and then what else? We have here the course, and then subject taken. So we have here the subject. So then the subject, she have here a quizzes, project and grades. So that's all for today. Please subscribe on my channel on the next part of the video tutorial for the